myself, talented Miss Stephanie. We're going to show you what we taught for our weekly class here every Thursday at Nick's Nightclub. This is a move that does require distance on both sides of the track, simply because of what you're going to be doing with your partner. It's called the Amazon, based on it being a long, winding, turning, twisting movement. You need that room. So just keep that in mind as you're doing this movement before you get started. So, as it starts, it begins with a left side pass with a full turn to her left. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stephanie's on her right foot, I'm on my left foot. So going down the track, I move off to my right, I go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you notice, I'm traveling with her. Normally on a pass, she's going by me, I stay off to the side and then get back onto the track once she's gone by me. I need to be beside her because of what this movement has to encompass. So go in this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you notice, I'm facing her as well. So we're looking at each other by 4. Now you want to consider this move almost like as a flat line with a big dip and then a raise. Because the next part, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is all straight. 5, 6 is where this little swoop comes in to the movement. So we're just going to do 5, 6 and then show you how to do this. After the sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Now guys, what you have to do, leaders are going to have to do this. You're going to have to touch her hip. You don't want to be creepy. You don't want to touch stomach. You don't want to do thigh. But you're going to have to do something to apply pressure to push her left foot back on the 5th count. So what it looks like this direction, we're going to stop on 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. By 4, I'm going to have my hand there. And I'm actually putting the palm, a ball of my palm, my hand on there, because what I'm going to do is push her back onto her left foot. I'm pushing it back, so it's going to go behind her foot. And guys, you're going to come forward on your right foot and cross in front. So you got to make her do that. You can't do this any other way. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So it's this little dip and a raise. I'm back on my left. She's back on her right. So going this way, it's hard to see. We'll try our best to explain it. So after 5, 6, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So there's the dip. She's not going to know what's happening until that hand is there. So guys, get it there at least by 4, because if you don't, move on work. So the rest of that part is triple to finish. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Raise her right hand, triple to the right, triple step, and push her onto her left foot on the next count. You guys put your right hand behind the back. We'll do it again. Instructions. It's easier to see. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And keep this other arm high. Then you're just releasing her for a triple and a triple. And guys, you're staying off the track doing your triple count, triple count. So there's that rise, the divot, and then you push through and you send it back the other direction. So you need room for this. But remember, you have to put your hand on the hip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Front to back this way. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring her forward, triple. Then one more time going down this way, the other direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Bring her forward, triple step, triple step. So it's a lot of triples, a lot of rolling, hand on the hip. Don't be creepy, but you got to do it, or it won't work. Thank you, Miss Stephanie. Thanks, guys. Hope you like that one. I've been teaching that one for a long time. I love it, simply because of how long and windy it is for your partner. Please subscribe every week for a new video. We'll give you something next time. Hope you use it the next time you go dancing. Until then, have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.